Hi everyone, myself Harsh, and currently we are going to discuss a topic related to math for class 4th and 5th area. Okay, in area I'm going to discuss two images as of now, rectangle and your square. I hope the shapes are very clear. Now we will begin with them. We are only going to discuss area and perimeter. So firstly see what's perimeter and what's area. See the outer covering, the outer part that I'm covering with orange over here. Don't judge my drawing and focus on the concept. So this will be your perimeter, okay? And now the inner shade, the whole interior part, like this complete part inside the rectangle or inside the square, that will come under your area, okay? So the inner part is your area and the outer covering, the outer lines is your perimeter. So what is the formula of area and perimeter? For rectangle and square, the concept remains the same, but the formula is different. So firstly, let's write down the formula for area of square. Come on, area of square. You guys write it down with me. That will be side into side. We can also say side square. We can also say side square. Okay. Now for perimeter, the formula will be side into 2 into 2. Now why I have written into 2 and into 2? Okay, let me just explain that real quickly. See, this side, then this side. This will be your two sides, okay? 2 into side. And yeah, if you guys are having a doubt, side into 2, we can obviously write it down as 4 into side. We can do that. That's obvious and that's possible. Okay. And then other two sides are this side and this side. Okay. Now why I didn't write directly four sides and side into like side into two. क्यों लिखा? Why we have done this? I will explain it to you by explaining rectangle. Now let's just come over rectangle. Okay. So firstly we are going to discuss area again. Area of rectangle will be length into the breadth. Okay. Okay, let's just take the measurement in the diagram as well. This will be our breadth, or we can denote it as B as well. Okay, and this will be considered as your length. So we can denote it as L as well. Okay, I hope I'm very clear. This is your length and this is your breadth. Similarly, is your formula for area, and your formula for square will be side into side because your length and breadth or side are of same size, right? Same hota hai. That's why we take side into side is square, but in rectangle it's different. So we take length into breadth. So the basic fundamental concept is same, but the formula is different, right? Now let's just write about perimeter. Perimeter will be 2 into length. What you think will be length plus breadth. Now there's what we say, one mistake in this formula, and that is bracket. Okay, will always be in bracket, otherwise it's not correct. Now why I'm saying so? See over here. If you haven't put the bracket, you will multiply, let's say 2 into length into breadth, right? So it will be 2 into length, like it will become 2 into your length, and then you will add it with breadth because of the BODMAS rule. So we don't do that mistake. We do 2 into length plus breadth in bracket. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's the formula. Now, on the basis of this formula, we are going to see some questions and we are going to move ahead. Okay. Let's just see some questions on this platform. I am showing you some questions. I hope you are focusing over here. So let's just do this one. Now over here, I'm telling you the question. The question is we are going to find area as 18 and perimeter as 18 as well. We are trying to find the length and breadth of the figure on such basis so that the area and perimeter both are 18. Okay. So let me just help you with this one. You guys can do afterwards. Like after that, I will give you questions as well in your homework. Firstly, for this, uh, Okay, I know, so I won't make much of the guesses, but obviously you guys will try and think and then you will get the answer, and that's the whole fun. So it will be 3 into 6. So we can make it like this, or we can make it slanting as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So your area is 18. By the way, if you guys are thinking why I have just counted the squares, so we have taken squares on the basis of this grade of 1 centimeter square each. So we are just counting the squares. If you have to find the area, you will just multiply length into breadth, right? So similarly, I will multiply the length of 3 into breadth of 6. So 1 centimeter square is the length, 1 centimeter is the length, and 1 centimeter is the breadth of every square. So the area is 18. Now let's just check for perimeter as well. So 6 is our breadth over here and 3 is our length. So 6 plus 3 will be 9. And we multiply it with 2, that will be 18. So very good. 2, 2, beta, 2 into your length will be 3 and your breadth will be, oh, that looks more of a multiplication sign than addition sign, right? You just grab that, we'll just do it again. Plus 6. So this is your perimeter formula and that will be 18. Similarly for area, that will be 3 into 6. And I know you guys know the answer and that will be again 18. Okay, very good. We're going to check this and once done, now let's just move to the next question. Okay, so now your next question is, your goal is to find area of 16 and perimeter of 15, and this is your homework for today. Now we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay, bye, see you.